got sore teethies. Yeah. Those darn teeth. Those darn teeth. Yeah. Those teeth hurt. Yeah. So come in already, teethies. Come in already, teethies, so I can stop chewing on my fingers. Those fingers taste good. Those fingers taste good. You're almost too big for your change table, Miss Lake. Almost 5 months old. Okay. You're a big girl now. Where's your toes? Get your toes? I bet you'd like to put those toes in your mouth if you could, wouldn't you? Yeah. It's time to go shopping. You have time to go outside, go shopping.